You don't know your last name?
I'm trying to.
Huh?
I'm trying to think.
Okay. Why are you all running? You just probably injured some police officers in a cruiser when you hit them, going the wrong way. What's your name?
On May the 15th, 2024, at approximately 11 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on routine patrol when they were struck head-on by a drunk driver. A quick editor's note, this video came to me heavily redacted, including no sound on the cruiser video, and the moment of impact was also redacted. This is due to Ohio records law. I was able to edit the video in a way that will tell the whole story. I'm going to include the outcome of the criminal case at the end of this video, so please stay tuned.
Dude, he had to be flying. They had to get down here that quick? Holy shit. God damn. Hold on. What's that? The other door. One, two. Got it!
I got an on 2015 Lincoln SUV.
Hey guys, two of you help him out. He was passed out.
We gotta get it out of the way.
We got hit by that car.
Shut down the door.
Alright, hey, someone help him.
We got you. Okay, yep, it should be pulling up. I got money case pulling up anytime.
We'll sit you down in the car.
We are champion north of.
Last you got. You alright? Hey, we're gonna put you in 112 here. Yeah, we're gonna sit him in 112 here.
Get in there.
Let's see, buddy.
You're alright. Is your phone in there, bud? I'll get it for you.
Got him. I think Hector's down there. So we were at Broad and Champion going up. He came off of Broad Street at like 80 miles an hour, drove up over the grass, and almost hit us head on. We aired it. By the time we flipped around, we couldn't see him anymore.
We thought it was all the way up in Broad. We were following a car from Wilson, and this car just came and hit us.
He had to be over 100. Because
Dude, if he would have hit and swerved the last second, we'd be dead.
he had to be over 100 because we flipped around, and we never saw him after Main Street. And then you guys aired this.
Yeah, if you don't mind for my run, but let's get him on first right here.
Yeah, we just need one for EMS 14, you copy that. Champion is handling. It just hit on Champion with you. 6511, getting your emergency banner. Where you at? It just hit us.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Put your fucking hands behind your back! Now!
One to one and
Okay.
Whittier and Ohio.
I'm sorry, Champion.
Taking one into custody at Whittier and Champion.
No, I don't think it was involved.
God damn it!
Take his hands up.
Relax, dude. It's over. Winner. Set.
What's going on with you, sir?
Let me
What's up, Mikey?
Oh, I'm good.
What's
Whoever get here, open the driver door over.
You guys searching that.
What do you have on you? What do you have on
my
you?
credit card.
Why are you running?
That's what we call out.
Copy.
Is that why?
No.
Hey, Eckert.
Alright, lady, we got one in custody. You
Out
just
for
run. George John, 8675.
Copy the plate. It's gonna be, I think, it's coming back with something. Stand by. I got it on the route 2015 Lincoln SUV.
Copy.
Sit down.
Just shut down the three. Nobody else needs to run it in.
Copy it.
Medic,
Get in there.
just north of Whittier, like Stanley and Champion for 65 low.
Copy.
He don't have ID, does he? What's your name?
David.
David what? Listen, dude, it's over. All right, relax. David what?
Go ahead.
Huh? What's your last name? What's your last name? David what? You don't know your last name?
I'm trying
Huh?
to think.
Okay. Why are you all running? You just probably injured some police officers in a cruiser when you hit them, going the wrong way. What's your name?
Apologize.
Are you injured? Are you injured from hitting the cruiser? Huh? Are you injured from running into that cruiser?
No, it's my
No. Okay, so what's your last name then?
last name is Becker.
Huh? I'm gonna need your last name, sir.
I just told you.
What?
Becker.
Huh?
Becker.
Becker? Like with a B?
Yeah.
B-E-C-K-E-R?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good, Sarge. You need to move?
Not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your birthday, Mr. Becker?
61, 10, 26, 61.
Okay.
Okay.
One more time. Look at me when you say it.
10,
10,
26,
26,
1961.
61. How old does that make you? How old are you, sir?
61.
Okay. You know your social? You know your address? Huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you sure you're not injured?
I'm sure.
You sure? You want the medic to check you out just in case? Huh?
No.
All right, well, I'm going to have him check you out.
Mr. David Becker was arrested and charged with 2 counts of aggravated vehicular assault, failed to stop after an accident, and OMVI, as well as tampering with evidence. He pled guilty to 1 count of aggravated vehicular assault and was sentenced to 3 years in jail. The officers in the cruiser were treated for relatively minor injuries and are okay.